change my clothes.
Whoa! Whoa!
Relax.
Wow!
Wow! Are you swimming in the water?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Can you splash mommy?
Splash mommy.
Splash mommy. Oh, she like that.
Okay, ready? Say bye, everybody.
Where are you going?
Swimming.
Oh my goodness.
Bye.
Avani's going far
I'm
away.
with you
Say
guys.
hi to Daddy.
Wave. Wave to me.
Can you wave to Daddy?
Kick your legs. Kick your legs.
Kick, kick, kick. Look what you're doing. We're going back and forth.
Avani, look.
You want to go get that?
Get the other ball too. Avani, you want to play ball? The big one?
That's okay.
Ivana, you have to relax. You relax.
You sit back. Here.
Whoa! Whoa!
I know.
Good catch. Ready?
All right. This
Throw.
water's so warm.
Ready?
Like
catch?
sickening warm or nice warm?
It's really nice.
How you doing, Dad? Checking out the barbecue?
No, checking on this.
Propane?
This is pretty clean, yeah.
Yeah.
Avani, what's this? Is this a giant tree? It is. It's big. It's big.
Alright, let's move this tree away.
Hey.
Wow, you're swimming, Avani?
Bring her to the deep end.
Avani, are you a big girl now?
Not the
Big
tree.
girl?
Hey, get this tree out of here.
Not the tree. Bring her to the deep end.
I will.